Morning. Dixon's got a new tyre on, Michelinium, and over on the floor. They didn't quite have time to explain. He's put a new Mitch medium on it, hasn't quite gone on the rim, and he's feeling it on the road. So we're trying the old centrifugal force trick, which could go wrong on a side stand because we're not on a proper stand.
Light switch is there, yeah, if you unplug it.
Which way is the gears going then?
See that again?
One down and then
Did you just ask me which way the gears go? How long have you been riding?
4 years.
That's it, we're on now. Top gear.
Fuel coming out!
Don't worry about that, just send it.
Don't get me started!
That's a brand new bike. That's a brand spanking new bike. Anyway.
You can't even hold bike up.
That's harder to do than you think on your own, that.
The good news is it didn't all go on. It's not quite on still.
I think we need a log. We need a log. Let's go find a log.
Okay. Get these two dicing. Get him, Gubbins. Got him.
Good elbow there.
I know. You should have done. Put it in the ditch. You had loads of run up.
Hey?
You had loads of run up.
Oh, nice.
You got to put your front wheel in the ditch and set off from there. Yes, Gubbins. Go on, Dixon. Right in there. Right in a bit more. Oh. Oh no. The army boys are with us now. Oh, get the traction down. Oh, Jordan! You're right. Oh, it didn't take long, did it? Did you think your legs were longer than they are dabbing on that side? Oh, good one. Beta Fwens. First ride I've been on. Well, we've got more beaters than any other brand. Used to always be more KTMs. Now it's usually more Huskies. Beta Brothers. Bit Nadgery. Oh, big lift. Lovely. She's slurpy like. Plenty of water in there today. Oh, Jordan's gone that way. Should pull it past. Ready? Ready? Oh, Dixon! How am I going to cope? You! Getting bloody whammed up now, lads. Your arm pump. Oh, good teamwork. Proper army teamwork. Lovely. Oh, it's nadgery today. Very nadgery. Oh, it's sick. Now we're moving. Yes. Woo. Oh, bad line. Hell. Shit. I'm taking some dodgy lines here. Beautiful colours in here. Quite a lot of water in it today. Come on, Dixon.
Get the hand on my foot for a while then.
Send it. Bloody hell. Oh, that's a lot of water in that. Dixon's creating a bow wave, moving the water out of the way for me. Go on, lad. It's like a bike wash. Are you getting back in? Are you getting back in? Looks better when there's someone in front. Should we let Gubbins go first? It will be better. Gonna get wet. Yeah, I do. That's gonna look sick, Dixon.
See what actually happens there.
Right, new tyre will support this. Mitch medium, brand new today, not quite on the rim. Will it send? Oh, go on, lad. Oh, he's got a bit close. Still got it. Yes! Oh! Smashed my head on bank. To be fair, Dixon did that a lot better than me. Woo. We're out. Right, now I've got to catch Dixon. Got a project on now. Oh. Oh, look at the steam in here. She's wedged in there, lad. Oh! Oh! Oh, God! Oh, brilliant! Got an absolute drenching. Oh no! Not more roost! They're getting far too close to Dixon. Oh my God! Biked over it, this is an absolute disaster. What was on with that? Whew. We get a bit of flow on. Not really. Snatchery. Shit, should have gone out. Huh? Wow. That was intense. Hey? Yeah. That's soaked. Oh yeah, got a right flow on now.
Good effort that, bro.
Whoa, into summit there. What is this? It's like a gully, but instead of a bedrock bottom, it's just slop. Oh, I definitely don't want to be carrying on any further. Well, that's going to conclude this ride. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bosh.